Now, coming back to the third question, children, who were on the ship with him? Two cats. ওর সঙ্গে শিপে কে ছিল, জাহাজে কে ছিল? Two cats and a dog were on the ship with him. শিপের উপরে কে কে ছিল? Two cats and one dog. Did you understand? With him. Now, what happened? Two cats, you'll remember, and dogs. I don't think I have to make any actions with that. Cats, cat meow meow, and one dog. Dog is bow bow. Okay, so two cats and one dog. Okay, we're on the ship. What happened on Friday morning? Friday morning, সকালে কি হলো? One Friday morning, a boat full of savages. Savages is jungly people. Okay, savages make faces, kharab face, because savages are jungly. So you see them and you feel dirty. So you can make face like that. One Friday morning, ওটা কোয়েশ্চেন দিয়ে বের করবে, a boat সেল করে আসো তো এরকম, boat full of savages landed with a black man. Okay, now why did এক দিন ফ্রাইডে বোট ফুল অফ জাংলি লোককে ভর্তি came with a black man, একটা কালো লোককে নিয়ে আসলো. Why did Robinson Crusoe name the man Friday? রবিনসন ক্রুসো যে লোককে ফ্রাইডে নাম কেন দিল? রবিনসন ক্রুসো named the man Friday because it was Friday when he found him. Okay, Robinson Crusoe named the man Friday. এটা কোয়েশ্চেন থেকে বের করো, because he found him. ও সেই দিনই খুঁজতে পারলো ওকে, ফ্রাইডে দিনই ও পেল ওকে. Did you understand? Because it was Friday when he found him. It was Friday. Robinson Crusoe named the man Friday. Question থেকে বের করো, because মাথা থেকে বের করো. It was Friday when he found him. যখন ওকে পেলো, it was Friday. ওটা ফ্রাইডে ছিল যখন ওকে পেলো. Did you understand? Now fill in the blanks. Robinson Crusoe grew up to be a clever dash. Clever কি হলো বড় হয়ে? Sailor. Dashe sailor. He could see the ship not far out in the bay. He could see bay মানে কিনারা পে. He saw the ship. Where did he see the ship? Bay. ব্ল্যাঙ্কে ভাববে play. ব্ল্যাঙ্কে দিতে হবে bay. Before Friday came, he had only a parrot. ব্ল্যাঙ্কে কি দেবে? dash parrot. Before Friday came, he had only a dash. He had only a parrot who could speak to him. যে ওর সঙ্গে ক্যাট ও ডগ ছিল, কিন্তু ওরা কথা বলতে পারতো না. ফ্রাইডে আসার আগে ওর সঙ্গে কথা বলার একটাই লোক ছিল, that was a parrot. Okay, the captain took Robinson Crusoe and his men Friday back to কোথায় নিয়ে গেছে? লন্ডন, ইন্ডিয়া. Where did they go? England. Where did they go? England. So dash England. Now you have to write make sentences. Wild beast. Okay, wild beast. What will you make sentences? वाक्य बनाओ. So I saw wild beast in the zoo. Okay, and I saw a movie of a wild beast. I love to read the books of the wild beast. Right. Stormy. One day it was a stormy night when we had to go for a birthday party, and then in the newspaper I read that today is a stormy day. Okay, on the stormy night people were thrown out of the house, the trees fell, and many houses were washed away, okay, by the water. Like this you can write. Now parrot, I have a pet parrot. I love parrots. Parrot has a red beak, and we can see parrot can talk. Parrot is known as a talking bird. Okay, sailor. Sailor, my uncle is a sailor. I would like to become a sailor when I grow up. Or I have a toy sailor. Okay, I like to play sailor. Now ship. My uncle works on the ship. My father works on the ship. I would like to travel. Ship is a water transport. Okay, I saw a very big ship picture in my drawing room. There is a very big picture of a ship in my drawing room. Like that you can write the make sentences. Okay children, now learn the question answers. I have done it, I've explained it with you all with the actions. Now learn it. Did you understand? I'll send you the question answers. With the question answers, learn it. Okay, I'm sending you the videos also. Thank you children.